Please subscribe to our channel to get latest reviews of best baby products. Mini cribs provide the perfect space for your little one to drift off to sleep, while leaving plenty of space for other essential furniture as well. To help you make the right decision, we have selected and reviewed 5 best portable mini crib. If you like any of them, you can buy it through the link in description. Number 1. Babyletto Origami Mini Portable Crib. Designed for urban living with a foldable frame and removable locking caster wheels for easy storage and transport. It's a smart and stylish alternative to a bassinet. It contributes to clean indoor air, creating a healthier environment for your baby to sleep. The design lets you easily put a newborn to rest in 2 adjustable mattress positions adapt to the baby's growth. Number 2. LA Baby Portable Mini Crib. Institutional quality folding metal crib. Comes fully assembled and folds away for easy storage. Easy to clean and scratch resistant. It is easy to move with wheels. It includes a deluxe 24 inches by 38 inches by 3 inches thick foam mattress. Number 3. Delta Children Portable Mini Baby Crib. The folding portable mini baby crib with mattress from Delta Children is well built and versatile. Its wheels allow for easy movement throughout the home, so you can keep your baby nearby at all times. When you're on the go, it's easier than ever to provide a safe and comfy sleep space for your little one. A space saver without sacrificing safety and design. The 2-position mattress height adjustment on this crib allows you to lower the mattress as your baby begins to sit or stand. Number 4. Dream on Me Portable Mini Crib. It has a lightweight, portable frame that folds flat for storage. This crib is a perfect travel companion. It has a multi-position mattress support and easily converts into a playpen or a changing station. It is made of solid wood. Used in your nursery, it lends an inviting, positive atmosphere to your nursery. Dual-hooded safety wheels with locking casters provides the utmost in product safety. Number 5. Davinci Alpha Mini Rocking Crib. A mini crib is a great alternative for smaller spaces such as smaller apartments. Rolling wheels allow you to move the crib around freely. Wheels can be locked to keep crib stationary. 4 adjustable mattress positions that you can lower as your baby begins to sit. This crib combines both style and functionality. All of the product reviews are based on research work and meant to provide you value. Buying these products from our link will not cost you money, but we will earn some commission.